in life sciences. There was a moment in time when L&D folks were seen as order takers in the commercial organization, where all the strategy was done, everything was set, and when it was ready to be rolled out to the field or out to the organization, L&D folks were called in and they were told, hey, the agency's created these storyboards, just go create training around this. And that mindset stayed there for a long time, and I'll come back to a moment why I think this is L&D's moment. After the pandemic, everyone had this belief that you didn't need field rep, that product launches could be digitized completely. And guess what? 96% of the digital first product launches failed. And there's data and studies, and now we've concluded that actually, as long as doctors are human beings, you need a human being to educate them. And this is one of the big reasons why I think this is L&D's moment. We've concluded that the human component is irreplaceable, it's indispensable, at least for the foreseeable future. And guess who is supporting and augmenting that human capital? It's learning and development. And it is a time for L&D to not be just order takers and partner with brand, partner with sales leadership to be that strategic partner.